In this lesson, we will use a reference triangle on the coordinate plane to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals 225 degrees. To begin, we sketch the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. Because the angle is positive, we now rotate counterclockwise 225 degrees. We have 90 degrees, 180 degrees. We need to rotate 45 degrees more for 225 degrees. This is the terminal side for 225 degrees. Now that we have the angle in standard position, we will label the reference angle and then sketch the reference triangle. The reference angle is the acute angle formed between the terminal side and the x-axis, which is this angle here. Notice this angle measures 45 degrees. And now to sketch the reference triangle, we sketch a vertical segment from any point on the terminal side of the angle to the x-axis, let's say here, which forms the reference triangle. Notice we have a 45, 45, 90 reference triangle, and because we are in the third quadrant where both x and y are negative, using the 45, 45, 90 reference triangle below, we label the horizontal leg -1, we label the vertical leg -1, and the hypotenuse square root 2. And now we can use this reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values. Cosine 225 degrees equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is -1 divided by square root 2. We'll rationalize the denominator in just a moment. Sine 225 degrees equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is also -1 divided by square root 2. Let's go ahead and rationalize the denominators. To rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by square root 2, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. Multiplying, we have negative square root 2 divided by 2. This is the form of the sine and cosine function value we would find on the unit circle. Tangent 225 degrees equals the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, which is -1 divided by -1, which equals +1. Next, the secant function value equals the reciprocal of the cosine function value. Notice the reciprocal of -1 divided by square root 2 is square root 2 divided by -1, or negative square root 2. Or if we use the reference triangle, 225 degrees equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side, which also gives us square root 2 divided by -1, which is negative square root 2. Similarly, the cosecant function value equals the reciprocal of the sine function value. Cosecant 225 degrees equals square root 2 divided by -1, or negative square root 2. Or using the reference triangle, the cosecant function value equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the opposite side, which still results in negative square root 2. And then finally, the cotangent function value equals the reciprocal of the tangent function value. The reciprocal of +1 is +1. Or using the reference triangle, cotangent 225 degrees equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the opposite side. -1 divided by -1 is +1. I hope you found this helpful.